guys, it's Anna, bienvenido otra vez a mi canal. If you're new here, what is up? So today I have another clearance haul, stationery planner stuff haul of stuff that I found on clearance, on sale. I think I only have stuff today from Michael's for the most part. One or two things from Amazon and something from Dollar Tree. This is kind of going to be like a part one because I do have other stuff that I picked up more recently than this stuff. This is from a few weeks ago from a few different shopping trips. And then I also have some things that I got the other day on clearance and on sale. Can this cat please get down? Okay. Everything is sitting inside of one of these scrapbook paper containers. I actually picked up two of these because they were on a pretty good sale at Michael's. When I picked up all this stuff, I think they were like $4. So I got two of them. They're not the clear color though. I usually like getting plain clear. They're kind of like a bluish green. So I'm gonna try to keep like things together. So the first things are just these sticky notes that actually my mom grabbed for me one day when she went to Dollar Tree. Just some decorative sticky notes. They're still in the plastic obviously, so I'm sorry about the glare. This one just says creativity takes courage, but it's just on a backing, like a piece of paper backing to hold it there. And then these ones also just say notes make yourself proud. They're cute colors, and again just a stack of sticky notes. So these two were from Dollar Tree. I picked up some like a pack of these holographic bags from Amazon. I will make sure to include the link down in the description box below. My Amazon information is always there. I tried to now include all of the links all the time in the description box also, but you can also check out my Amazon storefront, which has everything listed there as well. That's always in my description box. So I got a pack of just these holographic pouches. I think they're super cute. They weren't too expensive either. I think maybe it was $8, $10. I don't know, but it came with a set of 4. I gave my mom the black one, so the black one is the only one that isn't really like see-through. And then I have a yellow one, which is in one of my bags. So it came with 4 different colors. This is the pink and the blue. Very cute. Also, I'm pretty sure these were from Amazon. I could be wrong, but my mom had been looking for these zebra click art markers for like the longest time. They're like these, like just you click them in and out markers, and I guess they're supposed to be like longer lasting than like normal click markers. I don't know, but so she got a set of them, and these are the 4 colors that she gave me, just a blue, pink, green, and a yellow. Just want to share those. We're gonna be using these in our planner. All right, and then something my sister actually gave me from when she, I think, went to Michael's, must have been. But these are just some Halloween washi. I'm pretty sure this video might possibly go up after Halloween, but so they might still be able to, you might still be able to find these in stores for super clearance. But these are really cute ones. They're like Day of the Dead ones, and then these ones right here, just kind of like a spooky black and gold patterns. I love these. I love getting holiday washies, so thankful for these from Michael's. These are also from Michael's. We got them the other day when we were there. Obviously most of this stuff, I think the rest of the stuff is from Michael's. Got these when all of the school supplies and teacher stuff was going on super clearance. It was $1.99, but I'm pretty sure we only paid like a few cents for this. It's just a washi tape, but it is like a ruler, so it's pretty cute. I feel like you don't really get too much on the roll, but how often are you really going to be using this, you know? My mom had gotten a set of something, I don't know, from Michael's, but it had this little charm in there. I forget the name of this brand. It's not Jane Davenport. Oh, it is Jane Davenport. It's on the back. I just thought she was really pretty. Maybe I'll put her on one of my planners, something to decorate it. But so she gave me that from a set that she got. Also something that my mom got, she had gotten a like pack of these like Christmas die cuts, and these are just the ones that she decided to give to me. Super cute. So there's a couple different ones. Merry Christmas. Just gonna be nice to decorate, you know, the pockets or whatever of my planners. Are these stickers? They might actually be stickers. Wait, oh no they're not. Wait, I'm confused. Why does it have a line down it like that? They are stickers. Stickers. Cool. So there's a handful of those. Then my mom actually surprised me by grabbing this for me. It's just it says craft knife. It's like an X-Acto knife, but it's by Martha Stewart. Martha Stewart stuff is like really, really nice quality. This one's nice. It's got a little cover. I think I have an X-Acto knife, but it doesn't have a cover because I had lost it. Blade release at the top of the tool. Okay. It's so aesthetically pleasing to look at also. Oh, I guess this is like the release part for the blade. But then you've got a little cover. Oh, that's scary. We're gonna just pop that back on. Oh no, how does this go back on? keep that on for protection purposes. But so yeah, got an X-Acto knife. My mom also found a pack of these on clearance. It's like little doilies, but they're holographic, so she gave me a good handful of them. They're white on the back, but like we don't care about that part. We only care about the holographic part. Wow, look at that. So now we're into Happy Planner stuff that I found on sale and clearance. So the first thing are these, what are these? Plastic envelopes by the Happy Planner. This was a set that I split or shared with my mom. I think she had grabbed these, but they were still like $3. Yeah, I think they were like still $3 on sale. I'm pretty sure they were part of like the school supplies stuff, but they're just little envelopes and they're already cut, like hole punched for the Happy Planner discs. So we got these one day, and then I went back to a different Michael's later, like a few days later, like a week later or something, and actually found them for even cheaper. So this is that same set, but this one, I kept all of them because she didn't want any more. So I actually got these for only like 49 cents or something like that. They come with 3 different pockets in there. This is one set right here. It was only 49 cents. And then I got this set, which is the same as the one that she split with me, but this time I get to keep the cheetah pattern one, which I love. And then I actually found another of the blue set right here. So again, paid 49 cents for all of these. So we got a total of 3, 6, 9, 10, 11 of these envelopes. And I think they're super cute. Really good quality Happy Planner. Plastic envelopes. Can't go wrong. More stuff that I found on clearance. I don't really remember exactly how much I paid for them. I think these were maybe $1 or less than $1 also, which is why I grabbed a few of them. So these are just paper inserts for the Happy Planner. I'm not sure. This is just like a week on one page right here. And I love how colorful rainbow it is. So I just got 2 of those. And then I got the habit tracker because again, it was also like super duper cheap. I think this is the, not the skinny mini size. Is this the skinny mini? I always get them confused, but I like using this size mainly for like shopping lists. So pick those up. And then I had only grabbed one planner this time. Take this off. So this one again was on super clearance. I don't remember how much I paid for it though. Maybe not super clearance. It was probably still like $3 because it's July 2019 through June 2020. Wait, maybe I did get this one super cheap because it's 2019. I must have. Maybe it was like $1 or something, but it's just like one of the faith type planners. But you guys know I reuse like all of my pages and the tabs, dividers and everything for storing my stickers. So I got this one. Very pretty. It does say 2019, 2020 on it, but it doesn't bother me. It's super pretty. I love the actual like real floral pictures on here. How pretty is that? And I think even some of the dividers, that's really why I got it. Yeah, some of the dividers actually have like images of real flowers on them with quotes. Super pretty. Love that. And it was super clearance. All right, and then I picked up another one of these guys when I found it. Not sure how much I paid for this, maybe like $1 or $2. Just some more dashboards. So again, it's the set of 3 dashboards. I've shown this a million times. I always pick these up when I find them because I use them to divide up my sticker books that I put together myself for all my Happy Planner stickers. So it comes with these that I really like putting on. I actually don't use these on my dashboards. I make like my own dashboards with these, so I keep those separate. Just comes with 3 different tabbed, they call them dashboards, dividers in this little set. Again, pretty good price. And then I got a ton of sticker books. So I was mainly on the hunt for wrong stuff, and I still kind of am. I like want all of the Happy Planner wrong stuff that I can find. So these I actually got for only $1.99, which is like insanity. I mentioned it before. I think Michael's is kind of getting rid of all of the wrong stuff, but I could be wrong. I know when I search it on the website, it's no longer there. Nothing comes up. And then when I do find pieces at Michael's still, they're so cheap. They're like so low price. So these were $1.99 a piece, which is crazy. Originally $20. So these are the same books. So I just picked up 2 because I managed to find them. They're just the everyday stickers, but I love these. And it's like, since I only had so many of my wrong stickers, I tried not to use them up because I didn't have backups of it, but now I do. I think one of these I have to share with my mom, but the other one's mine. Picked up another one of these sticker books. Which one is this? The seasonal. I feel like this is probably one of the very first sticker books from Happy Planner that I ever got. and I've used up so many of them. So to find it again and find it on clearance, I was really happy about it. Had to grab it because I use a lot of these, which is why they're already gone. So now I have a backup of it. I think I paid like $6 for this, but I think now they're actually cheaper. As of filming this video, I'm pretty sure they're down to less than that, but I could be wrong. So at the time I paid $6 for that. And then these ones were on sale. Also, I can't remember how much I paid for them. I don't think I paid $6, but I might have paid $6 for these. Regardless, I wanted this one so bad when I saw it come out for like the school stuff. So I'm happy though that I waited and got them on sale on clearance. They were, I'm pretty sure, $6. But it's literally just a ton of different appointment stickers. I don't know why I wanted this so badly, but I love appointment stickers for some odd reason. So I had to get 2 of these. And so it looks like, though, that is everything from this Michael's haul. This is all stuff that I got on sale and clearance for my planner stuff, stationery stuff, happy planner, all that goodness. Let me know in the comments below if you guys have found any of these items off for super low prices now that everything is going on amazing clearance sale. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and you want to see more of my planner hauls, whatever videos, planner videos. Make sure you're subscribed if you are not, and hit the bell notification so YouTube can alert you every time I post new videos. But yeah, muchísimas gracias for watching este video. I will see you guys in the next one. I'm actually going to sit down right now and film the rest, like my hauls from like more recent stuff. So stay tuned for that. Bye guys!